Imagine making $152,000 from just 16 YouTube videos over the course of 16 weeks. They weren't viral videos, they weren't shorts, and they weren't videos with thousands of views. In fact, they didn't even have hundreds of views. I'm talking about videos that got between 50 to 100 views each. And one video, this is my absolute favorite part of this, one video got 19 views and made $15,000 all by itself. One video. So if your sales have been slowing down, if it feels harder to make sales, if you feel like your email list isn't engaged or maybe is fatigued, if Instagram feels like you're screaming into a void, this client case study is going to change everything for you. Because this isn't a YouTube unicorn. This is one of my clients, Belle, a business owner in a similar situation to probably you're in right now. And these results she created came from a system that you can replicate. So let me first give you a little bit of backstory on Belle. In fact, let her share that with you.
I'd been on Instagram for about 12 years and my following hadn't grown in at least 3 to 5 years. And I was working my butt off, making reels on Instagram, and I would get like 2 or 3 likes.
As you can see, Belle had a warm audience. She had an email list. She had offers. She had an expertise that literally changes people's lives. But the platform she's used to rely on didn't work, stopped working for her, was no longer an option for her anymore. Instagram was flat in growth for her for years. Reels, she'd only get a few likes on them. Her warm email list was exhausted. They had already bought and she wasn't getting any fresh new people on her list. Her Facebook ads account was shut down, which I hear happened more frequently than I imagined. And she had no traction on TikTok when she tried it. In fact, this is what she told me.
I wasn't making any sales and I was really unhappy with the effort I was putting in versus the rewards.
And this is the part that I need you to remember. She wasn't a beginner. She wasn't unclear. She wasn't guessing. She was doing everything that the experts were telling her to do. And it still wasn't working on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Sound familiar? Let me know, yes or no, down in the comments.
I had been grinding on Instagram for 10 years and I wasn't growing. And it was like, I can't keep doing what I've been doing because it's not working. I'm basically making reels, just hoping that one reel is going to magically take off, and it just doesn't. And it's like, I have to change. I have to pivot and shift my focus. I've been doing this for 10 years. I already know it doesn't work for me personally.
Then she found my videos. In fact, she binge watched everything, just like strategically I build my content calendar out on YouTube to do. She didn't just click around watching my videos willy-nilly. She studied the strategy that I was talking about. She listened to me to see that I really knew what I was talking about because it had all made sense. I had given her a belief shift about YouTube. And then she decided she needed to work with me. In fact, this is what she said.
I thought, right, I'm going to go all in. I'm going to give YouTube a really good red hot crack.
And the reason this worked for her is because she didn't treat YouTube like Instagram. She didn't post random videos and hope they stuck or hope they made sales for her. She didn't try to be everywhere. She followed my playlist funnel framework. 5 strategic videos, 1 posted every single week, designed to lead to a ready-to-buy viewer straight into her offer. Now, I want to walk through more specifically what she did to make this work and give an example, but if you're thinking you want to learn more about this playlist funnel strategy and you want to see how you can implement it in a more detailed explanation of it, plus the biggest mistakes that so many business owners make when they try to implement this themselves, go grab a seat at my next masterclass, trenalittle.com/class. It's about a 70-minute class with me where I show you what this looks like. I deep dive into it and lay out those mistakes so that when you try to implement that playlist funnel, you don't make those mistakes. So go grab a seat at my next class. All right, so here's where these results get really crazy with Belle. Before she even had 16 videos out, she had her first 4 that she published. These 4 videos, again, followed the framework of the playlist funnel. And those 4 videos made her $42,000. This wasn't months of content. This wasn't short form constant grind content. This wasn't a viral moment, and this was on a channel that had less than 200 subscribers. This was for purposeful, buyer-led, connection-driving YouTube. In fact, let Belle tell you about it.
In my tiny offers, I generated 30,000 in just my tiny offers from these videos. So I already had stuff to sell. I just didn't know how to reach people to sell them.
This is the power of the playlist funnel that I teach my clients. It doesn't just get views, it gets buyers. That's why I call these viewers ready to buy viewers. We're not trying to get anybody watching this content. We're trying to get buyers watching this content. Now listen to this closely, because this is the part that breaks every YouTube myth you've ever heard.
My last video, it only had 19 views, but it generated like $15,000 in revenue. And I had to laugh because it's like my least viewed video.
This is why you can no longer judge your success or your strategy based around the amount of YouTube viewers and subscribers that you have. This is why you cannot follow a strategy for YouTube that is built around getting more views and more subscribers, because that's not the strategy that's going to get you more sales, that is going to get you more clients. Most YouTube educators, most YouTube strategies chase virality. I teach my clients to chase conversions. Belle didn't need 10,000 views to make $42,000 in a month. She needed 50 to 100 buyers watching binge content designed for her exact niche, that ready to buy viewer. And as she kept going through this framework, this playlist funnel, after creating those 16 videos in less than 6 months, she had generated $152,000.
I've generated, actually I wrote it down, $152,000 in 5 months, and I've made maybe 16 videos in that time. So, I mean, that to me, going from spending 4 hours making a reel day after day after day to making 16 videos that are generating.
16 videos generated 6 figures. Are 16 reels gonna do that for you? Are 16 stories gonna do that for you?
Interestingly enough, I haven't posted a video on YouTube in 3 weeks because I've had some family issues going on. And, you know, I've still generated around $16,000 in those 3 weeks, and I haven't even posted a video.
This method works because Belle doesn't treat YouTube the way you think you need to treat YouTube. You don't need to chase virality. You don't need to chase trends. You don't need to create reels. You don't need to fight algorithms. You don't need special hashtags or a hashtag strategy, and you don't need daily posting. In fact, here's what she told me.
Now that I've committed to YouTube, I've actually completely shut down Instagram and TikTok. Not deactivated, I've completely deleted my accounts, because when I saw the revenue that I was generating from YouTube for a fraction of the time and a fraction of the energy, I really, for me personally, Instagram and TikTok were taking so much more than they were giving.
Instead, she decided to focus on ready to buy viewer topics, belief shifting videos, emotional connection with her videos, a playlist funnel that moves viewers toward a sale, not just random videos, not just helpful videos, not just tips videos. And she focused on just uploading 1 video a week so she didn't feel burnt out or overwhelmed. These videos weren't just hack videos. They were mini sales experiences. And that's why they convert so well with just 50 to 100 views. Belle's story should honestly be a wake-up call for you right now, because you don't need big numbers on YouTube. You don't need ads on YouTube. You don't need to post multiple times a week on YouTube. You don't need to burn out posting more and more content on YouTube to chase virality on YouTube. And if you're following those strategies on YouTube, they are for the wrong people, because you need the strategy that brings the right person to the right video at the right time. You need that system designed to attract your ready to buy viewer. And that system is the playlist funnel that I teach my clients. In fact, it's the exact system that I've completely doubled down on in 2025 and allowed me to only work 2 hours a day this summer and spend the rest of the day with my kids at the pool, to take more time off of my work than ever before, to have a shorter to-do list than I've ever had in my business before, which relieved a lot of burnout, overwhelm that I was experiencing, gave me more confidence in my business, and took a lot of the stress that was resting on my shoulders, leaving my shoulders up here, to finally be gone. YouTube isn't just a platform. It's leverage. It's stability. It's the thing that lets you get your time back while also growing sales. But how can you figure out what this system looks like for you and your business so that you can start getting more consistent sales in your business? I'm gonna give you the 7 steps that you need to take in 2026 to make sure your business keeps generating sales through YouTube content without burning you out in this next video right here. Click to watch now.